In this practice, you will create and update a table from an external link. You will also create and apply a table style and apply a cell style to individual cells. In the first two tasks, you will create a table from an external link and then update it from the source and to the source. Then you will create a table style and apply it to the existing table. Open the occupancy-AD-A drawing file. Switch to the electrical layout. In the Home tab, Annotation panel, click Table and set the table style to Electrical in the Insert tab dialog box. In the Insert option area, select from the data link to create a table from the external source. Click the Launch the Data Link Manager dialog to open the Selected Data Link dialog box. Select Create a new Excel data link. The Enter Data Link Name dialog box opens. Type bulb and wire and click OK. The next Excel data link dialog box opens. Click the Browse button to browse for the source file. The Save As dialog box opens. Select the electrical BOM Excel file and click Open. The new Excel Data Link dialog box now displays additional options. In the Link option area, ensure that the link entire sheet is selected and then click OK. In the Select a Data Link dialog box, click Open. In the Insert Table dialog box, click OK and click an insertion point below the viewport to locate the table in the drawing. The table is too long to fit on the page. Use the grips to break it into 3 columns under each red background empty row. Now, to complete this part of the practice, you'll need to have a copy of the Microsoft Excel on your workstation. From your Windows Explorer, open the Electrical BOM Excel spreadsheet. Change several of the quantity numbers. Save and close the Excel file. Switch back to the AutoCAD software. An information bubble opens indicating the external source has been modified. In the information bubble, select Update Tables using the data link to update the data in the table with the modified data from the Excel file. Note that the quantity changes you made in the Excel file are displayed in the updated table. Zoom in on the top of the AutoCAD table and select the cells E2 through E7. Right-click and select Locking Unlocked to unlock the cells. Change the MFG name in each of the cells to SQD. In the Insert tab, Linking and Extraction panel, click the Update to Source. Select the table and press Enter. All of the modifications in the AutoCAD table are written to the source file. From Windows Explorer, open the Electrical BOM Excel spreadsheet and note the changes to the cells. In this task, you will create a table style with several cell styles and apply it to the existing table. You will also select individual cells and apply a cell style to them. Now, switch to the occupancy layout. In the ribbon, in the Home tab, Expanded Annotation panel, click Table Style. Name the new style schedule. Verify the standard table style is selected from the Start with drop-down list and click Continue. In the New Table Style dialog box, set the following. In the Sales Dialog drop-down list, select Title. In the General tab, set the fill color to cyan. In the Text tab, set the text style to title and the text height to 1/4 inch. In the Borders tab, set the line weight to 0.60 millimeters and click Outside Border. Similarly, set the following. In the Cell Style drop-down list, select Header. In the General tab, set the fill color to green. In the Text tab, set the text style to Logo. In similar fashion, set the following. In the Cell Style drop-down list, select Data. In the Text tab, set the text height to 1/8 inch. In the Cell Style drop-down list, select Create a new cell style and name it Areas. Ensure that the Start With field is set to Data. Click Continue. In the Cell Styles, select Area, and then in the General tab, set the alignment to middle right. Click OK. In the Table Style dialog box, click Close. In the Occupancy layout, select the table. In the Annotate tab, Tables panel, select the new style schedule to apply it to the selected table. Use grips to modify the row and columns as required to match the new layout of the table. Select the cells under Area. In the Table Cell Contextual tab, Cells Style panel, select Areas in the gallery to apply it to the selected cells. Note that the values are right justified.